There's a certain honesty in a K5 Blazer that you feel before you even turn the key. This one wears Ford Race Red with a white lower body and a blue stripe that ties it back to a different era. It sits tall on a 2.5-inch lift with 33-inch BF Goodrich All Terrains and chrome 8-hole wheels, ready for road or trail without trying to prove anything. Power comes from a Chevrolet LS1 V8 paired to a 4L60E automatic. It's smooth, steady, and backed by a stock LS fuel system and a mid-note exhaust that keeps things understated but present. The exterior stays clean and purposeful: chrome bumpers, factory-style grille, LED lighting, and no unnecessary additions. Inside, it's straightforward and durable. Skai Pavento buffalo vinyl with white diamond stitching, a silver blue dash, wood grain wheel, and digital gauges bring a simple balance of old and new. Heat only, no extras, just what you need. An Android head unit with CarPlay and a backup camera add modern function without changing the feel. This is a K5 built for the experience of the drive, nothing more, nothing less.